In this video, I'm unboxing a lot of beauty products actually that I ordered from Amazon. Hi, my name is Ivana and on this channel I make lifestyle and personal development videos. In case you're not yet subscribed, you can do that quickly, but without further ado, I really want to get into these packages. So let's just start on the left, I guess. With this package, I needed a lot of basic makeup products. I like to buy in batches, so usually I will do my beauty shopping maybe once or twice a year, and then I will just buy a bulk of things I really need, and sometimes I will actually buy multiple things. Oh, okay, so basics. We have a mascara here from Faces Canada. Faces is a brand that I keep seeing pop up on Indian beauty bloggers, vloggers, Instagrammers pages, and I really wanted to try it out myself. My previous mascara was an absolute disaster and I'm just so happy to try this one out. It is the Faces Canada Magnet Eyes Mascara Lash Out with Volume. It looks good. The packaging actually looks nice. I like myself a red packaging. It kind of reminds me of Armani Beauty, and I actually also really like the shape. So yeah, we'll figure it out. The mascara was 399 rupees, which I think is a decent price for a drugstore brand, which Faces Canada is. I'm actually quite attached to a mascara that I always buy in the Netherlands. I always buy like 4 or even sometimes 8 of them because I like it so much, but unfortunately the Catrice brand is not available here in India, so I thought let's just try this one out and we'll see how it works. You will see it in my upcoming videos because I'll be using this mascara. Then something also that I really needed, a good eyeliner or kajal. I got this one from Plum because my friend Shruti, she always has the most beautiful kajal. Of course, I asked her which one she uses and she said the Plum one. It is the Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal. It is smudge proof, waterproof, 2-in-1 kohl cum eyeliner. 100% vegan, 100% preservative free. Yes, that is what we want. Oh, and there is a free shapener. I'm guessing they mean sharpener inside. So apparently Plum Goodness is actually a really good brand. It's 100% vegan, against animal testing. I'm very excited to try this. This was, well, it says it's $4.95, but I think I got it with a little bit more discount on Amazon, which is why I actually also really like to shop on Amazon. They sometimes have really good deals. And yeah, if you see me wearing eyeliner in my upcoming videos, it will be this one. Actually, you know what? I like this packaging so much that I actually want to open it on camera. So there is this strip on the back. Okay, wait. Maybe I'm not doing this properly. Okay, strip. Come on, you got this. Yes. Okay. And this is how it comes packaged. Oh, this is fancy. I like this. So this is the kajal. Very pretty. Love the purple color. I love the Plum logo as well. Wait, let's show this properly. See how cute it is? Love. What do you guys think of my nails, by the way? My nail designer Miriam is just the best. Okay, so this, and then there is a sharpener inside, always good. And then they give out a little folder on how to use it, which I think is amazing if you're just starting out with things. And then they actually have like more product ranges in the back. Okay, I like it. Really nice packaging. I like this experience. That's cool, man. The next baggie. I love unboxing videos so much. I will keep saying this, but I think I literally just started this channel to do unboxing videos because I love watching them and I actually love making them. Ooh, something else from Faces Canada. Like I said, I really want to find a good drugstore brand here in India because sometimes for some things I really feel drugstore brands are just the best value for money. So honestly, just for eyeliner, For mascara, I feel drugstore brands are really good. On certain other beauty products, I will never ever compromise and always go for a little bit more higher end brands. So for instance, for my brows, it's always Benefit. For my bronzer, it's always Estee Lauder. Lipsticks, I do really tend to prefer MAC as a brand, but then for these simple basic things, I really like to try out drugstore brands, and they are usually very good quality, which was also the case for my powder that I used to use. My go-to powder from Catrice, from the top of my head, but unfortunately, again, that brand is not available here in India. I've heard really good stories about Faces Canada. This powder was only $1.99 because that's what it is. It is a weightless stay matte compact with SPF 20. Can you believe that? For 200 rupees, there is an SPF in here. Microfine powder with SPF for protection against UVA, UVB, vitamin E, shea butter. I mean, I want to see what this looks like actually. Okay, quite well packaged with some foam inside so it doesn't break. Packaging actually looks quite fancy, I would say. Yeah, definitely. And then, ooh, oh, this might be a little bit yellow for me. There's a mirror inside, speaking about a value for money, because I mean, for 200 rupees, what? I just kind of hope it matches my skin color well. Let's see. Okay, actually it might work. Well, we'll see what the quality is like, because again, my previous one, I did not like it. I'm not gonna shade any brands, but I did not like it at all. It just made my makeup feel so cakey. When I go to the Netherlands, I will definitely stock up on my favorite Catrice one, but for now, yeah, if you see me wearing good powder in my upcoming videos, it will be from Faces Canada. I really hope this works out, because that would be awesome. Then I have like a go-to brand, drugstore brand in India as well. The next package, a little baggie here. Let's see what is in there. Oh, this, oh, I'm so excited about this. I can't even tell you. Okay, so I really like Boho Girl Kritika on Instagram. I actually discovered her on Instagram, but she's on YouTube as well. That Boho Girl. She actually posted some posted the Balkan girl in me wants to come out. She posted some Instagram stories of false eyelashes that she ordered on Amazon, and I was like, why didn't I ever think of ordering eyelashes off of Amazon? Well, this is the package. I think it's a little bit more on the pricier side. I can't see the price here, but obviously I'll put it here. So this, okay, so it says inclusive of all taxes, it's 915 rupees, but again, I think I got it a little bit cheaper on Amazon. It comes with a lash glue over here. As you can see, there are 3 pairs of lashes in here. These are a little bit more for daily wear, and these are a little bit more intense. Now, I don't wear lashes very often, but with the holidays coming up, Diwali and Christmas and New Year's, I want to wear lashes because lashes are just too pretty. So when I saw it on Kritika's Instagram, I was like, let's order this. Let's see how good it is. It is cruelty-free and 100% vegan, which makes me very happy. I might actually be making a look with this. If you guys want that, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be trying it out on camera and seeing how good these eyelashes actually are. Plastic false eyelash. Something super important. I would never ever buy animal hair lashes, no matter how good they look, because animal cruelty is not worth having like prettier eyelashes for me. So yeah, these look actually really good, and I want to try them out. Look at this, so cool. Okay, we are down to the last package. Let's see, what is this? Oh, my go-to again. So this is a drugstore brand, but honestly, I haven't found any concealer out there that is better than this. I have heard really good stories about NARS, which is supposedly really good, and I think the Charlotte Tilbury concealer is also supposed to be really good. But here's my philosophy. If a drugstore brand does the job really well for half of the money, or maybe 1/3 of the money, I mean, I do want to try out luxury brands. I like higher end brands, but with makeup, I also feel it's a lot about the functionality, especially with a concealer. And this one, go to for years. I think this is my 9th repurchase. So this is the color 110 Fair. This one will last me a minimum of 6 to 8 months for, I would say, 4 to 5 days a week of wearing makeup. So it is crazy long lasting. It has amazing coverage. It doesn't cake up under the eyes. It's just a genius concealer. The price is, yeah, just regular drugstore prices. It is 620 rupees, 10 value for money. This is like just the best concealer that you can get for this money, I would say. So yeah, repurchase, 9th repurchase. Are you more of a drugstore brand kind of beauty person, or are you more of a high-end kind of beauty person? Let me know down in the comments below. Of course, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to put a thumbs up. If you like any of these products and you would like to show it to your friends, make sure to share this video. Also, you can consider subscribing to my channel and joining 2,300 subscribers by now. It's free and you'll get a notification whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.